Hello students, good morning to all. I am Swati Patel, your English teacher. In last session we have learned that what is noun and types of noun, that name of animal, person, place and things, it is called noun. That we have learned. This flow chart also you have completed, right? And then exercise 1 also you have completed, that classify the nouns in that person, place, animal and things. Okay, now today we will start with the next exercise. In that you have to choose the correct answer from the box. Here in the bracket options it is given, right answer it is given, so from that you have to choose the correct answer. First one, mango, strawberry, bananas, grapes. So all these things are fruits. So here in the bracket it is given, so you have to write the answer from the bracket. Okay, now second one, bed, sofa, armchair and table. All these are furniture, right? Now next one, pigeon, dove, eagle, parrot. All these are birds. Then black, purple, violet, orange. These are colors. Then carrot, onion, potato, cucumber. All these are vegetables. And here last one it is ant, butterfly, bee and mosquito. These are insects. So this you have to copy down in your notebook. Okay, understood? Okay, then next exercise, that exercise C, write the jumbled letters in the correct order to get the names of the professions. Here uh, that sentences it is given, and along with that jumble letters it is given. Try to identify that words and write the correct answer in the given space. First one, writes book. Who writes book? That here in jumble letters it is given, so author writes the book. So correct answer is author. Then next one, mends taps and pipes. In your house, if taps are not working properly, pipes are leakage, then who repairs, who mends this pipes and taps? So answer is plumber. Here jumble later it is given. Try to find out the answer, that what is this? It is plumber. The spelling of plumber it is there. So answer you have to write plumber. Then next one, bakes cakes, bread. Who bakes cakes and bread? So baker. Next one, who sells flowers? So answer is florist. Who sells flowers? So answer is florist. Then next one, who cares for our teeth? If in the teeth cavity it is there, if it is not properly, then pain it is there in teeth, so where we will go? To the dentist, right? So who cares for our teeth? Dentist. Next one, who takes care of us in the hospital? So here that jumble letters it is given. Try to find out from these letters what is this spelling. Nurse. Who takes care of us in the hospital? So answer is nurse. Then next one, who grows crops? So answer is farmer. Who grows crops? Crops कौन उगाता है? Farmer. This exercise also you have to copy down in your notebook. Then next exercise, exercise D, take the noun that belongs to each group of nouns. Here some nouns it is given related to this group. You have to find out one other name from the bracket and put tick on that. First one, butterfly, ant, and fly. Fly, that means housefly. So related to this, what is this? These are insect. So one insect we have to find out from the bracket. Here two words it is given, eagle and bee. Eagle is a bird and bee is a insect. So we will put tick on the bee. So butterfly and fly, and then we have to put tick mark on the bee. Then second one, joy, pup, duckling. These are the name of young ones of the animals and bird. So one more young one we have to find out of this fall. Fall is a young one of animal. So we have to put tick mark on that. Then bench, desk, table. So these things are furniture. Here in the bracket sofa and pencil it is given. So sofa is a one kind of furniture. So we will put tick mark on that. Next one, jasmine, rose, sunflower. Then here in the bracket plate and marigold it is given. So marigold is a flower. So jasmine, rose and sunflower, along with that we will put tick mark on marigold. Then carrot, pumpkin, beans. These things are vegetables. Now here in the bracket spinach and apple it is given. So spinach is a vegetable and apple is a fruit. So we will put tick mark on spinach. Next one, orange, mango, lychee. These are the fruits. So we will put tick mark on another fruit. Here plate and pear it is given. So we will put tick mark on pear. Then earrings, bangles, necklace. These are the ornaments. Here ring and rose it is given. So ring it is ornament. So we will put tick mark on that. Next one it is frock, tie, sari. These are the different kinds of clothes. Trousers and crown it is given in the bracket. So trouser that means one kind of pant, and crown that we will we can see now that that kings are wearing on their head. So that is called crown. That means mugut. So here we will put tick mark on trousers. DVD, mouse, keyboard. These are the different parts of computer, right? And here in the bracket monitor and phone it is given. So monitor is also part of computer. So we will put tick mark on the monitor. Then next one, lion, tiger, elephant. These are the animals. So here in the bracket peacock and monkey it is there. So peacock is a bird and monkey is a animal. So we will put tick mark on animals. So today we have completed 3 exercise. All the 3 exercise you have to copy down in your grammar notebook one time. Okay. Thank you.